Hi, I'm Dr. Cheryl Fraser, and I love love. And I love helping couples revive their dying relationships. Hang on, Dr. Cheryl, my relationship isn't dying. Okay, I really hope it's not. But let me challenge you a little bit. Are you happy with your sex life? Are you having fairly frequent, healthy, beautiful, erotic connection? Are you fighting all the time? Or do you know how to work your way to compromise and have mutual respect and have deep, difficult discussions that actually bring you closer? Are you excited when your sweetheart comes home? When I get home, my dogs freak out. The hubby, he and I need to remember how to go, you are the most precious, extraordinary person in the world, even if I've woken up next to you for decades every single day. I am so excited because this is the week, once or twice a year, where I teach my free immersion mini workshop for couples. It's about 90 minutes long. You can click below and register for it. I'm teaching it several times in the week to come. Won't be teaching it again till way into 2022 after this. And here's what you can expect when you join me for this free passion masterclass. I'm going to teach for about 45 minutes on the 3 keys to passion. You've been hearing little tidbits about those in this series of videos this month. Get unstuck with Dr. Cheryl. Get unstuck from what? The complacency, the boredom, the kind of blah that so many of us get into in our long-term love affair. So I'll be teaching you some keys to passion. Bring your sweetheart, bring pen and paper, because I'm going to be teaching you things you'll want to write down and start practicing right away. And so precious to me as I get to meet you live. You can bring your questions. I'm going to stick around for an extensive Q&A at the end of the teaching and answer your specific questions, because all of us have unique twists on what we're struggling with right now, and I'll be able to give you some ideas of how to start changing things right away. I'll also be taking around 10 minutes and teaching you about the upcoming Become Passion Immersion program. We're kicking off in a couple weeks. This is an almost 3-month-long program, weekly coaching with me, a weekly curriculum. It's extraordinary. Doors open in the next few days. You'll hear about that on this live Passion Masterclass as well, because some of you are going to know in your gut that now is the time. Now is the time you want to take that step and start doing what it takes to create what you want. We do it in our career. We do it in our personal lives. Heck, you probably do it in your garden, where you learn and you invest and you really take time to nurture the seeds to grow into the plants and the food you're going to eat. We really get complacent sometimes in our relationship. I have to be careful too. I have to reboot my relationship all the time. What do? I'm so confused, Cheryl. I don't know where to start. Start by clicking below. Pick a time that works for you and come and get some free teaching, some time with me, ask me your questions, and really start making love intentional. I can't wait to speak to you all. It's my favorite thing to do, is to teach live and just give what I can to help couples move from where they are to the exceptional, rare relationship each of us crave and desire, and maybe we used to have when we fell in love. But we're lost. We don't know how to get there. Most couples don't do it simply because they don't know how. And I know how, and I'm here to share that with you. So hopefully I'll be talking to you this week. Can't wait, and stay tuned for the next Love Bite coming your way 1 week from now. And just remember, I happen to be wearing this fabulous new coat. When life gives you love lemons, I'm here to help you turn them into beautiful, sexy, romantic lemonade. I'll see you soon.